Remedies for glowing and healthy skin. There were days when only girls need glowing skin, but as of now everyone want to shine, and have a glowing and soft skin, be it a men or women. But with the pollution and inhabits regarding foods and not taking proper sleep, glowing skin is littlie bit tougher to get but not impossible. There are a lot of beauty products in the market who claim to give a glowing skin in 1 week or 2 weeks, but some are not suited for every human skin, as some people might get itching, pimples, or etc. by using market products. So, we are going to tell you the 5 home remedies that can help you having a glowing and soft skin. Turmeric. Turmeric contains antibacterial properties. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps in getting a smoother and glowing skin. It has curcumin, which is an anti-inflammatory agent and helps to get rid of inflammation. Turmeric does not only give your skin a glow, but turmeric also makes the skin refresh. How to use? You can mix turmeric with a cup of gram flour and add a few drops of rose water and apply it on your face and leave it for nearly 30 minutes, and when it dries, wash your face with cold water. You can use this method twice in a week and changes will be seen shortly. Honey. Honey is the best moisturizer and helps skin to stay hydrated for whole day. Like turmeric, honey also have antibacterial properties which helps in diminishing the infections, skin inflammation and spots. Honey ensures spotless and bright skin. It also has bleaching properties and helps in removing of the pigmentation and scars. How to use? You can directly apply honey on your face and neck area, massage for a few minutes, allowing it to get dissolved in the skin. Now, rinse off your skin with lukewarm water. Milk. Tyrosine hormone is responsible for darkening the skin, but milk controls the tyrosine hormone in the skin and provide a glowing skin, but one should raw milk as it helps in getting brighter skin quickly. How to use? You can apply raw milk to your skin or mix it with any other ingredients like turmeric and form a paste. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the best home remedies as it has lots of vitamins and antioxidants that are good for our skin. Aloe vera keeps skin glowing and smooth. It also prevents pimple and spots. Aloe vera can be applied during summer for sunburned skin as it helps in healing faster. How to use? You can apply directly to the skin. Gently take out aloe vera gel from the leaves and apply it to your skin. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash your skin with cool water. Lemon. Lemon contains citric acid because of its sour in nature. It also contains vitamin C, which is extremely helpful in getting glowing skin. It brightens our skin tone and also moisturizes our skin. Lemon can also be applied at dark neck and elbows to get rid of darkness. Lemon also detox our body. How to use? Make a solution of lemon juice and water and gently apply to your skin using cotton. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and wash with cool water. You can perform this method once a week.